So today we're going to be looking at the SSL plugin by Waves. This is a classic. I usually use this plugin on my main bus. I set it, forget it. But recently I saw this mixer engineer that goes by the name of Czar. He actually used this on vocals, so I wanted to give it a try as well. By the way, there's a link in the description that'll take you to his channel. Check him out. Yes, I've used it on drums and all that stuff, but I've never used it on vocals. So I have a session here by an artist called Raynel. Can't really play too much. The song isn't out yet, but here's a snippet. So when I got this session, the recording engineer put some plugins. The way I deal with those plugins, I ignore it. They're part of the sound. The only way I will take a look at them, if the settings are just way out there and it just doesn't sound good, then I'll mess with those plugins. Other than that, they get ignored. Now you probably didn't hear a difference. Besides YouTube stepping all over the audio, I level match. That is so important. You want to level match to make sure you hear exactly what your compressor or whatever you're using is doing. That's incredibly important because if it's too loud, you're going to fool yourself. From left to right, you have your threshold, attack, ratio, makeup, release, and your rate. And down here, you have your in, analog, and fade. Now, what I usually focus on when I'm using a compressor are these three options here: your threshold, attack, and release. Ratio is important, but I usually start with this three. The signal has to get to a certain level before the compressor engages. Your attack, how aggressive you want the compressor to be. And your release, how long you want to hold on to the signal or how fast you want the compressor to let go of the signal. You kind of have to mess around with these things. So again, before and after. Another thing, this analog option here. If you're going to put this on your rear bus, keep it on if you want to. That's just introducing transformer noise. Here in the US, 60 hertz. Another thing that's pretty cool about this plugin, it has this key input. So if you're putting this on a bass, you can use a kick to control the compressor. Well, there you go. That's the Waves SSL compressor. If you guys want to try this out, check the description. There's a link there. If you decide to pick it up, that link will save you some money and it'll also help out this channel. I want to thank you for watching this video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.